In this video, we will discuss about the preparation of alcohols by Grignard reagent. So the Grignard reagent is actually it is RMGX. So there was a scientist named Victor Grignard who discovered the Grignard reaction, and in 1900, and he got Nobel Prize for that as well. So this RMGX, this is Grignard reagent, we are going to use for preparing the alcohols. Okay. So we can use this Grignard reagent with the carbonyl compound. We know that the carbonyl compound in which there are double bond between carbon and oxygen, okay, like this. So this is the general equation, and we are going to treat it with the RMGX, that is Grignard reagent. So after that, what will happen, you can see that the oxygen being electronegative and carbon which is being electropositive, this R being electronegative, because this MgX here will be electropositive here. So what will happen here, this negative part R will attach to this carbon, this is positive, electropositive, and this MgX will attach to this oxygen, that is negative, partially negative, electronegative. So next step, that is we got the product, we can get it like C, and there is double bond with it like this, and now with this C, with this carbon, there is R here, okay, and this MgX will go to this O, because this bond will break here, and this oxygen will attach MgX, okay. So the product will be like this. After that, we can do the hydrolysis, okay. So hydrolysis of this compound. So this H2O can break into H plus and OH negative here. So here we know that this oxygen being electronegative and this MgX being electropositive, this H will go towards the O and it will be OH, and this OH will attach to this MgX. So the product that we can get here, the product will be C, here R, the bond here, and now O, along with O there is hydrogen, so OH here, and the another product will be this MgOHX, that is MgOHX. So you can see that this is the primary alcohol. You can say that we can get the primary, secondary or tertiary alcohols using different type of carbonyl compound here. So this is general equation, you can say that this is the alcohol, okay, we can get this is the alcohol. Along with this alcohol, we can get this product as well. So let's have an example to form the first degree alcohol. For getting the first degree alcohol, we can use the formaldehyde. So formaldehyde, the formula is like this. This is the formaldehyde. After treating it with the RMGX, we know that this is what, this is the electropositive and this is electronegative, okay. And now what will happen, this R will attach to this carbon being electronegative and this is electropositive, so this will attach to this oxygen here. So the product will be H, this is C and H. Now you can see that this is the this bond will break, okay, and we can get only single bond. Along with this oxygen, the MgX will attach and this R will attach to this carbon like this. So this product we got here, and after that we will do the hydrolysis of it. That means hydrolysis is nothing but we can do a reaction with the water molecules, okay. So it can break into H plus and OH negative ions, because we know that this oxygen is being electronegative, and this Mgx is being electropositive. This H will attach to this oxygen and this OH will attach to this Mgx. So we can get the product like H, C, R, H, and here O, and then this H, OH. And now another product is like MgOH, X. So here after using the formaldehyde we can get the 1 degree alcohol, because there is the carbon atom which is attached with this hydroxyl group, and there is no another carbon. So that means it is the, you can say that this is the first degree alcohol. So we can say that the first degree alcohol we can get after treating the Grignard reagent with formaldehyde. Now to get 2 degree alcohol, we use acetaldehyde. Okay, acetaldehyde. So acetaldehyde means the formula will be, at this place of H there would be any alkyl group CH3 and the same thing like this. So we will treat it with the RMgX. We know that this carbon being electropositive, this is electronegative, this R being electronegative, this Mgx being electropositive. This R or alkyl group will attach to this carbon and this Mgx will attach to this oxygen, and the product that we can get here, the product will be CH3C. This bond will break, so it is one single bond, and then O. Along with this O, this will attach Mgx here, and this R will go to this carbon atom. Okay, now we will do the hydrolysis of it. So H plus and OH negative. Okay, now what will happen? Same case as we did here in this first example. This H plus, because this OH is, O is electronegative and this Mgx is electropositive, so H plus will go to the O and it will be OH, and Mgx will attach to this, so it will be MgOX. So the product will be CH3 C R H and here OH. So it will be alcohol, that is 2 degree alcohol, and plus MgOHX. MgOHX. So this is what this is, 2 degree alcohol. Because this is R, that means alkyl group, so there would be a carbon as well. So here 2 carbon, 1 2 carbon. So the carbon which is attached to the hydroxyl group, if it is attached with 2 carbon, then it will be 2 degree alcohol. So for getting 2 degree alcohol, to get the 2 degree alcohol, we used here acetaldehyde. Okay, now the third one, for getting the 3 degree alcohol. To get the 3 degree alcohol, we use just ketone. Here we are using ketone. So the ketone is like this. R dash. Okay, after treating it with Grignard reagent, that is RMgX, what will happen? We know that this carbon is being electropositive, this oxygen is being electronegative, and this R being electronegative, this Mgx being electropositive. This R will attach to this carbon and Mgx will attach to the O, and the product will be R, then C, and this R adding with carbon here R, and this O being single bond here, double bond will break into the single bond, and along with the O there would be Mgx. Okay, and this is what, this is R dash. After doing the hydrolysis H plus and OH negative here, we can get the product like, because this is electronegative and this is electropositive here, so this H will attach to this oxygen and this OH will attach to the MgX. So the product that we get here R C R dash and here O and H, OH. This is what? This is alcohol, and plus MgOHX. So because this carbon is attached with the 3 carbon atoms, okay, because this central carbon atom is attached with the hydroxyl group OH, so this will be a 3-degree alcohol. This is what? This is 3-degree alcohol. So we can say that to get 1-degree alcohol we use formaldehyde, to get 2-degree alcohol we use acetaldehyde, and to get 3-degree alcohol we use ketone, and these compounds we have treated it with the RMGX, that is Grignard reagent. So we have formed here the alcohols by using the Grignard reagent. I hope it is clear now. Thank you.